Hi there, I'm Josh from Fine & Country of Bideford and welcome to Trehawk. This property has been completely modernised by the current owners and it is a 4-bedroom detached bungalow here on the outskirts of Bideford. The property itself is currently used as a highly successful holiday home and it does enjoy great modernisation throughout, such as the open plan kitchen lounge area, but also the 4 double bedrooms with 4 ensuite shower rooms also. But for me, the highlight here is the attractive frontage where you can enjoy some peaceful and quiet days and evenings as well, thanks to the large decking area and the ample seating with a further outdoor hot tub. The property also comes with a separate 3-acre field, so it really can be used for a variety of uses. But again, if you would like to find out further information or to arrange an early viewing, contact our team today on 01237 426 018.